Cheers!
Cheers! Ooh, sour.
Hello, it's Camel and Smorsha. Camel, Smorsha. Anyway, this is our special Christmas theme. Christmas.
So we're talking in British accents because it's Christmas.
And we're talking in honor of the Christmas Carol. Anyway, let's show them some fun things around the house that are Christmassy.
Oh, let's show them the retarded snowman guy. No, not that
Snowman.
guy.
I
The
made
other
that
guy.
cookie. Oh, the
other
retarded
guy.
snowman guy. Okay.
Ready? They sing a song. It's kind of weird.
It sure is cold. This is perfect weather for Frosty the Snowman, because on these wintry
that
days
cute
when the
little
wind
penguin.
blows and
They're
freezes
so
your
weird.
nose,
It sings a
Frosty
song.
would come to life. Frosty the Snowman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but you can watch him grow every icy winter day. Yes, Frosty loved to run and play with all the girls and boys in the town. They would have so much fun. That is,
Okay, this is
the sun
weird.
came out with
Yes.
warming rays.
Let's show them some cool presents.
Yes.
Presents. Yay. Small shop. Okay. Holy ball. And look at this creepy Indonesian rabbit.
Oh my god.
That's a Christmas decoration. Yay, Christmas spirity.
Okay, guys.
Whee! Christmas food. Christmas ornaments. Yeah. Yay, let's show them our gingerbread house.
Yes. I'm Jack.
Say hello, Father.
Hello.
Okay, that wasn't really my dad. I don't know him at all. Isn't that our cool little gingerbread house?
Oh, and we have a little
Look at
doggy
the
on
side.
Bitty. And that
That's
has
cool.
springlies and more springlies. And it's so lovely.
And then the back, which is quite ugly.
Kind of boring.
Yes, we made it out of that kit.
Sorry.
Okay, so this is our temporary Christmas tree, and we put the presents under it if we have any. But right now we don't have any. No presents.
Tree yet, Camille?
No.
You get a tree usually?
Time to eat.
This is Gus soda. Yummy. So that's what we toasted. Yes. Bye. Merry Christmas. Woo.